Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's story is about a lonely old man and an injured stray panda. What started as a quiet act of compassion turned into a life-changing bond. This story reminds us that no matter how old we are, we can always find purpose in helping others. Let's begin the touching journey, the old man and the stray panda.
Narrator
Please subscribe
Baba
my channel.
Rahmat, who was more than 70 years old, lived a simple and quiet life. He lived all alone in an old mud house at the edge of the village. He had left all his work and family behind him. Now he only had his memories and was all alone. Now there was just quiet and memories. Baba Rahmat loved animals very much. But now he would just watch the birds from far away. It made him feel a little bit happy. The kids in the village used to call him the old crazy man because he talked to trees and would laugh all by himself. Because he talked to trees and would laugh all by himself. One winter morning, Baba Rahmat went near the forest to get some wood. Just then, he saw something strange in the bushes. A little animal was shivering all over. It was so cold and scared. It was hurt and very weak. When he got closer, he saw it was a little panda. It looked so cute and sweet. Maybe it had run away from a circus or a pet farm. Baba Rahmat took off his warm shawl and wrapped it around the panda. He held it close to his heart. He brought it home and started to take care of it. He put medicine on its cuts and kept it warm with his old blanket. Day by day, the panda started to get better. It was getting stronger. And for the first time in many years, Baba Rahmat felt happy again. Now, every morning, Baba would give the panda a bath to keep it nice and clean. He would feed it and take it for walks outside the village. At first, the people in the village were really surprised. They couldn't believe what they were seeing. Then, slowly, the children also started coming to play with the panda. The panda was very gentle and smart. Everyone loved how sweet it was. The panda and Baba became great friends, like they had known each other for a long time. Like they had known each other for a long time. Then one day, some animal doctors came to the village. They were there to help wild animals. When they saw the panda, they were very surprised. They were very surprised. This was a super rare kind of panda. It was very special, and not many people ever see one. It had been missing for many months. They wanted to take the panda back to a safe place in the wild, where it could live freely. Baba Rahmat thought for a little bit. He listened to what his heart was telling him. He looked at the panda and said softly, "If that's your real home, if that's your real home, then you should go there. Then you should go there. I was just a little stop for you on your big journey." When the team started to take the panda away, Baba Rahmat had tears in his eyes. The panda kept looking back at Baba. There was a special look in its eyes too. And then, right before it left, it gently put its little paw on Baba's hand, like it was saying goodbye. It gently put its little paw on Baba's hand, like it was saying goodbye. After that day, Baba Rahmat felt like something big was missing from his life. The people in the village didn't call Baba crazy anymore. They knew that Baba had helped a little lost animal and made a very special friend. And he had found something new and important in his own life too.